one.
Whew, that's for sure.
It's the fastest I've ever run.
Snail! Oh no! I forgot Snail!
Run, Franklin!
Hurry! How could I have forgotten Snail? He's my good friend, and I didn't even help him. Where is he?
Oh my, these termite tunnels go everywhere.
Snail! Snail! Snail!
Here I am, Franklin.
Snail? Is that you?
It's me.
Snail! Are you okay?
Sure, I'm fine.
I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to forget you.
Thanks, Franklin, but... Oh, you found him.
I was worried. Same here.
Yeah, me too.
How come?
The wasps! They were buzzing all over the place.
I had a good hiding spot. So now that everyone knows I'm fine, I'll go back and explore the termite tunnels.
You can't go in there, Snail. You might get lost.
What? Whoa!
Don't worry, Snail. From now on, I'm going to take really good care of you. I won't forget you again, I promise.
My knapsack is so full, I can barely squeeze anything else in.
Mine is so heavy, I can hardly lift it.
I've got mine already. It's in my backpack.